On the mill today, HM 126, John Deere 3039R. I'm milling a 10-foot, I guess just a pine log, and I am cutting 2x4 or 2x4s out of them. I ended up getting 13 2x4 by 10s out of this log. It was about a 12-inch diameter log. And I just did the calculation from Home Depot. That is $81 and change in 2x4s. Obviously it's a green, it's not kiln dried, it's not very premium, but this will do for a shed just fine. If you've been watching for a little while, you know that I'm in need of a shed or a storage place. I actually need to build a lot of storage area here, and this will do just fine. 25 minutes of work saved me $81 in cash and hour and a half drive time. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow along for more content.